The Williams ADMA indicator is available for various platforms on the Tradingfinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and apply it to your charts. Traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and apply it to the chart by dragging the file onto it. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the Comment section and then click the Confirm button. Select the indicator file, enable Allow DLL Imports, and click Confirm. Dragging the indicator opens an oscillator window, Williams. Just make sure to simply activate the Allow Deal option, located in the Comment section, and then click on the Confirmation option. By dragging the indicator, an oscillator window opens below. Williams ADMA is a refined version of Williams, where AD stands for accumulation, D for distribution, and MA refers to moving averages used. The three lines here are moving averages, and light blue is the AD line. If light blue crosses above, it's bullish. Below, it's bearish. Use it to find divergence areas and predict price reversals. The three lines we have here are the moving average lines, and the light blue line is the AD line. When the light blue line crosses above the moving average lines, we predict a bullish trend, and when it crosses below the moving average lines, we predict a bearish trend. We can also use this indicator to identify divergence areas and positive and negative divergences, predict price reversal zones. In the Settings section, in the Input section, there are options for us. The display settings include three theme options: Light, Dark, and Custom. Light applies a light template to the chart. Dark applies a dark template. Custom keeps your personalized template and applies the indicator. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart, template that is placed on the chartman. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied, and, by choosing the custom option, it keeps your personalized template and only applies the indicator to the chart. The next section is about the indicator settings. You can adjust the settings for the first moving average here, which has the shortest period in this indicator, and is our fast moving average. You can set the period for the second moving average, and you can also change the period for the third moving average from this section, which is our slow moving average. You can change the types of moving averages from this section, which is set to linear weighted by default, but you can switch it to simple, exponential, or smooth. The next section is about the indicator shift. You can change the types of moving averages from here, which is set to linear weighted by default, but you can switch it to simple, exponential, or smooth. The next section is about the indicator shift. You can adjust the shift of the indicator lines from here so that one of the current states and the current candle can move forward. The next section is about indicator shift. You can adjust the shift of the indicator lines to move states and candles forward. Ensure the template is custom before color changes. In style settings, change the first and second moving averages. Keep it normal, linear, or as a histogram. Just make sure that to change the states, you need to set the template to custom first, and then apply the color changes. This covers style settings, allowing changes to the first and second moving averages styles. Set them as normal, linear, or histogram. Adjust AD line type, line sizes, and toggle alerts. Toggle message, sound, email alerts in tools. Options. I select the dark template, set first, second to cloud, histogram, third to exponential. Click confirm to apply. The type of drawing and style of the moving average: 1 moving average, 2 moving averages, 3 moving averages, ID line size, 1, 2 moving average sizes, and to activate or deactivate the message filter, activate or deactivate the voice filter, activate or deactivate the email filter, which must be, you have set this option in the Tools section of the Options section, and enabling or disabling mobile alerts. Here, I'm selecting the dark template. I'm setting the drawing type for the first and second moving averages to cloud, and then I'm setting the drawing type for the third moving average to exponential. After that, I click Confirm, and the dark template is applied to my chart. The moving average period has changed, and its drawing type, along with the drawing types for the first and second moving averages, has switched to histogram. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love to hear your comments. and suggestions in the comments section.